Hi, I'm Cory Weatherton with the Jayco Motorhome Group, and I am the Director of Product Development for our gas Class A's and Super C's. I'm out here at Pete's RV today, and I'm excited to show you one of our motorhomes. It's the Jayco Redhawk 31F. Now, the 31F is a bunkhouse, so if your family is looking for a bunkhouse, this could be the floor plan for you. A few features I want to point out on the outside. First and foremost is we have an excessive amount of exterior storage. This storage compartment here goes underneath your rear bed. Now, Class C's, they're short on storage. This 31F is not lacking it for you and your family. Another thing you need to know is that every motorhome that Jayco builds, our desire is to be the quietest riding, best handling motorhome at that price point. So on our Redhawks, we do three different things to accomplish that. We call it the J-Ride. And so the J-Ride components on here, I'd encourage you to look at our website, call your Pete's salesman. They'd love to tell you about what we're doing in order to accomplish that. Let's go inside, and I want to show you really the beautiful interior of this Redhawk. Now, this Redhawk is equipped with our modern farmhouse decor package. This has done very well for us as a company since we introduced it in 2020. You're going to notice as you come in, first and foremost, that it's just bright and clean. A lot of motorhomes these days, they're brown, you walk in, they feel enclosed, they just kind of feel dated. This modern farmhouse, especially if you're having a lot of people in this, it just feels very open. Our front overhead bunks is a great sleeping area for the children. If you need extra room, that front overhead bunk is rated at 750 pounds, where the majority of the industry is rated in the 425 to 450 range. You're going to see within our motorhomes, we do have excessive storage on the inside. Some of the great things about this floor plan that I love, we do give you two bunks for the kids back here. Those bunks are rated at 300 pounds apiece. And so there again, over-engineering, even though 300 pounds may never be there, we just want to make sure it's there and solid for you. Inside of this, there is an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It runs off of gas electric. And then also, what do most motorhome manufacturers miss? They miss the pantry. We've given you a pantry in this to help supplement your kitchen storage area. As we go back, we do have a wonderful sized bathroom. You're going to notice that the toilet is in a great position, not restrictive at all. The shower is a radius shower, so we're maximizing every bit of storage space inside of that. And also the great thing is when mom and dad are in the back bedroom, we do have a sliding pocket door that you're able to cover that and actually have privacy. It is a queen size bed back there, fully walk around. Now, this is a 2021 we're in. 2022s will be coming out soon, so if by chance Pete's has sold this, let me tell you some of the enhancements on a 2022. First of all, we're moving to a wrapped countertop, so the T-molding won't be there in future Redhawks. It's going to be a wrapped countertop. Also, another thing is we are changing our main living area televisions to smart televisions. So recognizing that it's kind of the thing of the day, folks want to stream, they don't necessarily want to play the DVDs anymore, we're adding a smart television. And then finally, we are adding a safety net for our front bunk. So that's going to be rated at 250 pounds, easy to put on, easy to take off, but we're excited about that because we know you've been asking for that for a while. So again, my name's Cory Weatherton from Jayco, out here at Pete's RV today. If you have any questions, feel free to give your local Pete's dealership a call. We'd love to answer any questions you have.